Okay, so what we have right here are 5 Coke cans, you can see, or Sprite cans and a Czech can. But you can see I actually squeezed it in half, cut it across with shears, and then I've put slits along the top. You don't have to do this, obviously, and then I've shoved this down in here. And it's just, there's a whole bunch of aluminum in this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a battery that'll run this light out here for weeks, hundreds of hours. I don't exactly know how many, but a lot. There's actually quite a bit of weight here. Y'all be careful if you do that. Now we'll set up our water. You see I got some paper towel over here. And then I got water right here. So we'll pour some water in here. Just do a little at first. A little sprinkle of this magic juice. Ooh, that's actually quite a bit. Make it run pretty. It doesn't matter. It's just a little bit of salt. Put some more water in this thing. This is the ultimate survival gear. I mean, 5 of these things and save your life. Alright, so that's stirred up. Now we just take paper towel. Them in there, and all that's going to do is just keep the cathodes from touching the aluminum. So obviously you want to set your leaves up to where or whatever you use. I'll take this guy, shove it down in there. Remember, you can't let this touch aluminum, so that's why we got our paper towel in there. Like that, I'll clip it to this next one. Can't let the aluminum touch either. There we go. And I'm gonna drop this guy in there. I'll take that and clip it to here. And I'll take this guy here. I'll clip him to here. Basically what I'm doing is creating a battery in series. The aluminum cans can't touch each other, and the X-Newbie cathodes can't touch the aluminum. This is going to be fun to do, but I got this piece for the negative. This guy can't touch aluminum. Reach down there. Perfect. And all our Coke cans aren't touching. We'll drop some water in it. I have a feeling that we're going to need more water, but we might not. So center is aluminum foil. That's where the electrons are going. You see, it's working. Needs more water though, and it'll get brighter, much brighter. And I'll even put the juice in that some for us. That's gonna make it burn bright. I should stir it, but what's this? There we go. Now it's bright. It's a full-fledged flashlight beam now. It's as simple as that. In the middle of the woods, you'd pull out your X-Newbie cathodes. You could use a little bit of this powder, but believe it or not, you can get this after you burn a campfire. In the bottom of your campfire, the ashes are filled with potassium hydroxide, which will work just the same. So if you were in the woods, you can get this stuff from burning a hardwood tree down. You could also put a couple grams of it in a little Ziploc baggie, and I mean that would be more than enough for weeks and weeks and weeks of substantial amounts of power.